Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 16th video in JavaFX GUI Application Development. In the previous video we have learned how we can create a combo box in JavaFX. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create checkbox in JavaFX. So now let's get started. The first thing I'm going to create a new JavaFX application and right click new, and I need a JavaFX application, so I'm going to call it my checkbox. Basically, creating a checkbox is similar to the radio button. If you have watched my radio button video, you will know that it is the process is the same as radio button. So now let me just change this to stage, and I want to write my basic bare bone of window. First stage dot set title, and for the title I want to give it checkbox, JavaFX checkbox, and after this let me create a hbox layout. So hbox, new hbox, and let me import my hbox. Alt enter. Why it's not working? Okay, now it's imported. Alt enter. After this let me create a checkbox. So checkbox, I'm going to create the object of my checkbox. So first I want to create 3 checkboxes. So check 1, new checkbox, and in here you can give the text. So for the text I want to give it for example football, and let me import checkbox. Okay, now it's imported. After this, this was my first checkbox. Let me create 2 more, and I'm going to just copy this checkbox and change this to check 2 and 3. Also change the text to, for example, cricket, and also tennis. Okay. After this, now I'm going to create first let me hbox dot get children dot add all, and I'm going to add my 3 checkbox in here. Check 3. Okay. After this, let me create a scene. So scene, new scene, and I'm going to add my hbox in the scene, and I'm going to give it 300 by 200. This is the width and height. Let me import the scene. Okay, now it's imported. Just alt enter and it will import the required classes. After creating scene, now I want to set my scene to my stage. So stage dot set scene, and I want to make it the scene, and at the end we need to show our stage. So stage dot show, and now I'm going to run this, and hopefully now the compilation completed, and I'm waiting for the okay. Now you can see we have JavaFX checkbox title, and I have 3 checkboxes in here. So you can see like this. Okay, now in here if you see, we need to add some spacing and some padding to our hbox, because now it is not looking good, and we need some space in here between these checkboxes. For this, let me in here you can add box dot set padding. First I'm going to set the padding, so new in sets, and for this I'm going to give it, for example, 5. This is top, right, bottom, left. And after this, box dot set spacing, and for this I'm going to give it 10. Now let me run it. The compilation completed. I'm waiting for this. Yeah, now you can see we have some space between these checkboxes. Now I want to show you how you can add image to your checkboxes. If you remember the radio button, I have added image on there, some icon to my radio button. So I want to show you how you can add this in checkbox. For this, in here, let me create a file input stream. So, and I call it in1 and new file input stream. And in here you need to add your the part of your where you have added your image. So my icons, it's in my directory, and I have yeah, in here it's in my directory. I have called it image. So you can simply write image, and my icon name is football.png. After this, let me create a image object. So image, I call it m1, and new image, like this. And in here I want to add my input stream. After this, we are going to create an image view. So image view, new image view, and I want to add my image 1 and my image view. After this, we need to set this to our checkbox. So check1 dot set graphic, and this is the image view. And let me run it, and hopefully we get an icon with our checkbox. Yeah, now you can see we have an icon for this. After this, let me copy this, and I want to add this to my all checkboxes. This is cricket.png, and change this to in2 and im2 and image view 1, im2 image view 1, make it check2. Let me run it. Now the compilation completed, and I'm waiting. Okay, now we have another icon. Let me add this to the last checkbox. So yeah, like this, and paste it in here. So change this to in3, and this is tennis.png. and I am 3, 2, 3, and this is checkbox 3, and this is 2. Now we have completed our code and we have a complete checkbox with 3 checkbox and 3 icons. Compilation completed successfully. Yeah, you can see that now we have this 3 checkboxes. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel.